And don't ever think that just because the price is this today, that's what the company's worth.
Right.
That means very little, if anything, of what the company is worth. Benjamin Graham also said that short term is like a voting machine. So,
I've heard this.
so whenever you have a stock, let's use Microsoft again.
Okay.
If a lot of people are excited about Microsoft because they're releasing a new Windows or something like that, then it becomes very popular for this month. So the price shoots up. So it's more like a voting machine because,
for popularity content.
yeah, it's making the price go up just because a lot of people are interested in this company right now.
Okay.
And then later, it goes down after people lose interest or another company, Apple, produces something, you know? So this is more like a voting machine, but in the short term.
Okay.
But in the long term, it's more like a weighing machine.
Okay.
So the weighing machine, we're talking about the actual value of the company. So Microsoft in the long term, you can get more of a feel of the weight of the value of the company. Short term, you can't really tell. It's up and down and more based on popularity, what people are talking about in this moment. But when you buy a company for the long run, you can see the actual value of the company maybe by taking an average, you know, the 52-week midpoint or what the range is over a long term, you know.
Okay.
So that'll give you more of the value of the company.
That's a nice idea. The weight, that it's a measurable thing, that there's like some fact behind it, right? That
Yeah.
you'll be able to find some matrix or some variables and plug them into a formula and find out how much
Mm-hmm.
it weighs.
Yeah. So you could say this stock usually goes from $50 to $100 range over like a 5-year period. So then you can figure maybe around $75, something like that could be the value.
Mm-hmm.
But at other times, if you're just looking at the short term, it could shoot down to $12.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean that's what it's worth.
Right.
You know? It's
Yeah.
just
The votes,
popularity at that time.
lack thereof.
Yeah. Yeah.